Digestion in the mouth. The digestion of food starts in the mouth in case of human being. The digestion in the mouth is initiated by saliva, which is secreted by salivary glands. The saliva contains two important enzymes, lysozyme and ptyalin. Ptyalin is also known as salivary amylase. Lysozyme is antibacterial and ptyalin or salivary amylase is hydrolytic. So lysozyme destroys the bacteria which are ingested unknowingly with the food substances. It neutralizes, it kills the bacteria which may be present in the food which is consumed, which is taken up by the mouth. Salivary amylase is hydrolytic or digestive. Now, which part of the food is digested in the mouth? The starch. Starch is a polysaccharide, complex carbohydrate, present in rice, potatoes, bread, wheat, corn. When we eat cooked rice, cooked food, the starch is digested partially by salivary amylase and broken down into a disaccharide maltose. Starch is a polysaccharide. It is broken down, it is hydrolyzed into a disaccharide maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide consisting of glucose plus glucose. But all of the starch is not digested in the mouth, only 30%. Only 30% of the starch is digested by salivary amylase into maltose in the mouth cavity. In the pH 6.8, saliva maintains a pH of 6.8 in the mouth cavity. This is the optimum pH for digestion of starch in the mouth by salivary amylase. So only 30% of the starch is digested by salivary amylase in the mouth and maltose is formed. The rest of the starch will be digested in the small intestine. This is about digestion in the mouth. Apart from digestion, the saliva maintains a moist environment inside the mouth, lubricates the food, helps in the formation of food bolus, helps in the process of deglutition, helps in the process of speech, and lysozyme is antibacterial, which is also important component of saliva. Now, digestion in the stomach. Stomach has many important functions. The stomach stores the food which moves down from the mouth through the food pipe after swallowing, after deglutition. The partially digested food which comes from the mouth is stored in the stomach for 4 to 5 hours. During this period, the food is continuously mixed with the digestive juices in the stomach by mechanical churning of the muscular wall of the stomach. Mechanical churning means the vigorous movement of the food substances with the help of the muscles of the stomach wall, so that the partially digested food is properly mixed with digestive juice in the stomach. So mechanical churning is exhibited by the muscular wall of the stomach. The most important function in the stomach, proteins and small amounts of fats are digested. Now, digestion in the stomach. Digestion in the stomach occurs by a digestive juice called gastric juice. Gastric juice is synthesized and secreted by multicellular gastric glands present on the mucosa of the stomach. there are multicellular gastric glands on the mucosa, on the inner wall, on the mucosa of the stomach. Each gastric gland consists of 3 types of cells: mucous neck cells, chip cells or peptic cells, oxyntic cells or parietal cells. Mucous neck cells secrete alkaline mucus. Chip cells or peptic cells secrete the enzyme pepsinogen and renin. Proenzyme pepsinogen and renin. Oxyntic cells or parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, intrinsic factor, and also bicarbonates. Intrinsic factor and also bicarbonates. Now, the proenzyme pepsinogen present in gastric juice. Pepsinogen is secreted by peptic cells of the gastric glands on the gastric mucosa. Pepsinogen is a proenzyme. It is not able to catalyze, it is not able to function, it is proenzyme. It is activated to active enzyme pepsin by hydrochloric acid secreted by the gastric glands. Hydrochloric acid is highly concentrated. It provides acidic medium in the stomach having a pH of 1.8. In presence of this pH 1.8, pepsinogen is converted into active enzyme pepsin. Hydrochloric acid converts pepsinogen into pepsin. Now chyme. What is chyme? The partially digested food that comes from the mouth cavity and reaches the stomach is properly mixed with gastric juice by mechanical churning of the muscular wall of the stomach. As a result, in the stomach, the food which is already digested but partially is mixed with acidic gastric juice and transforms into highly acidic semi-liquid soup-like substance which is called chyme. The chyme is the partially digested, highly acidic soup-like food substance which is in the stomach. Now, the proteins which are present in the chyme, the protein present in the chyme are digested by pepsin in 1.8 pH and forms peptones and proteases. Proteins are broken down into peptones and proteases by pepsin in acidic medium having a pH of 1.8 provided by hydrochloric acid. Peptones and proteases are smaller and simpler than the proteins. Proteins are polymers, insoluble and having complex structure. They are broken down into smaller peptones and proteases by pepsin. Now there are milk proteins which are soluble proteins mainly in the stomach of infant. The milk proteins are digested by renin in acidic medium into insoluble proteins. That means the soluble milk proteins are precipitated by renin. Renin actually precipitates the soluble milk proteins into insoluble proteins. Renin precipitates the soluble milk proteins and make insoluble proteins so that these precipitate or insoluble proteins are now digested by pepsin, forming peptones and proteases. So pepsin is the main enzyme that acts in the stomach and digest the protein part found in the food. Now in the stomach, small amount of lipid is also digested by lipases, forming diglycerides. This digestion of lipid is very insignificant. Very small amount of lipid is secreted, digested by lipases, forming diglycerides. Gastric juice, apart from hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen, rennin, also contains mucus and bicarbonates. Both are alkaline. Mucus and bicarbonates lubricate the food substances. They protect the gastric mucosa, the inner wall of the stomach, from the corrosive nature of highly concentrated hydrochloric acid. The mucosa or the inner wall of the stomach is protected against the corrosion that may be caused by the strong, highly concentrated hydrochloric acid. Moreover, pepsin is a very strong proteolytic enzyme. It may damage the gastric mucosa. To prevent this effect, the bicarbonates are produced by the gastric glands. So this is how digestion occurs in the stomach.